Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to fix the access denied error on ChatGPT, specifically error 1020. This usually happens when the security system flags your IP address or browser as suspicious, so let's get right to it. First, you need to check your VPN or proxy settings. This is the number one cause of the access denied screen in 2026. Because many people use the same VPN servers, those IP addresses can get flagged for suspicious activity. Try turning off your VPN entirely and refreshing the page. If you must use a VPN, try switching to a different country or server location to get a cleaner IP address that hasn't been blocked by the security firewall. Next, you need to clear the specific site data for OpenAI. Instead of clearing your entire browser history, you can just target ChatGPT. In Chrome, go to your settings, select Privacy and Security, and then choose Cookies and Other Site Data. Search for OpenAI in the search box and click the trash icon to remove all related cookies. This force resets your session and often clears up the security block that was triggered by an outdated or corrupted login token. Then, for those of you on mobile, you should clear the app cache and data directly. On Android, long press the ChatGPT app icon, tap App Info, and go to Storage Usage. Hit both Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets the app to its factory state. While you are there, make sure you have granted the app all necessary permissions, including storage and network access, to ensure it can communicate with the servers properly without being blocked by your phone's own security settings. Finally, if you're still blocked, try a network reset. Simply turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to your mobile data, or vice versa. Sometimes your home or office IP address is what's being blocked. Switching to a mobile hotspot provides you with a fresh IP address from your cellular provider, which usually bypasses the access denied error instantly. If the problem persists across all your devices on the same network, try restarting your router to see if your ISP assigns you a new, unflagged IP address for your whole house. And that is it. Your access should be restored and ready for your next prompt. If this troubleshooting guide helped you get back into your account today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.